Today, we've got a game-changing DIY guide for you. How to clean drains in your home. Because let's face it, a clogged drain can throw a wrench in your day faster than you can say, plumber. Stick around to learn some fantastic tricks, and don't forget to roll up those sleeves. We're diving into drain maintenance head first. Keeping your drains clean is not just about avoiding inconvenience. It's a battle against the unseen buildup that can lead to major plumbing maintenance down the line. Think of your kitchen sink drain and bathroom sink as gateways in an underground city. From kitchen sink dramas to bathroom battles, this guide has got you covered. Baking soda isn't just for making volcanoes with kids, it's also great at keeping drains clear without resorting to store-bought drain cleaners that often contain harsh chemicals. A half-cup baking soda chased by a half-cup vinegar may sound like an old wives' tale, but trust me when I say this, trick will have a major impact on clearing minor clogs. Plus, it helps eliminate odors, leaving behind nothing but freshness. Hot water melts butter faster, and it also works wonders for greasy buildups in your drains. Pour boiling water slowly into the offending drainage opening once weekly as part of your cleaning routine. It won't fix every problem, but consider it preventive medicine for sinks everywhere. Sometimes stubbornness requires equally stubborn solutions. We're talking plungers and barbed tools designed specifically for sinks. The right tool makes all the difference between defeat and victory over sewer clogs. Keep those drains clear and smelling fresh with simple DIY tricks. Now let's talk about keeping your kitchen drains in tip-top shape. It's not just about preventing clogs, it's about maintaining a clean and welcoming space where foul odors are shown the door. Your garbage disposal is the unsung hero of a clean kitchen sink. Ice, coarse salt, and lemon peels form a dynamic trio that not only cleans but leaves behind a fresh citrus scent. It's as easy as pie. Tossing these items into your disposal creates an abrasive action that scrubs away grime while leaving behind a fresh citrus scent. Mom was right. Don't put grease down the drain. Strainers, scraping plates, and running hot water are your simple habits for preventing major blockage parties in your sink. Bathroom drains have it tough, but armed with some household staples and know-how, you'll be saying goodbye to those pesky blockages in no time. Soap scum is like the party guest who just won't leave. Once again, baking soda followed by white vinegar is a simple duo that works wonders without harsh chemicals. Clear pipes ready for whatever comes their way next. Removing hair clogs doesn't have to be a horror show. Use your hands or tweezers for surface offenders, and if that fails, try the plunger dance. Gently plunge with quick motions for a clean and unclogged drain. For those stubborn clogs that won't budge ya, it's time to bring out the big guns. Here are some advanced techniques to tackle even the most serious drain challenges. If plunging isn't cutting it, mechanical tools like cup plungers and barbed cleaners might be the solution. And if all else fails, there are plumbing maintenance snakes, the heavy artillery for tough jobs. Certain products on the market are designed for safe yet powerful action against serious drain challenges. Enzyme-based cleaners offer long-term results. Be patient, and your kitchen sink drains will thank you. Now you know how to clean drains in your home, a game changer for any homeowner. Keep those kitchen and bathroom sinks flowing smoothly with regular baking soda and vinegar treatments. Remember to pour boiling water down the drain regularly. It's an easy win against minor clogs. And don't forget that plunger. Simple but mighty when you're up against stubborn blockages. And before we wrap up,
did you know that it is a manufacturer's recommendation to flush your water heater at least once a year? This will prevent unnecessary wear and tear and extend the life of your water heater. Doing this one time a year will also prevent other catastrophic failures within the home, as the water heater is the largest appliance in the home. So if you don't want Rice Krispies in your cup in the morning for breakfast, please give us a call and schedule your $79 water heater safety inspection.
don't forget to experience year-round comfort with Anthem's exclusive Comfort Club. For just $14.95 a month, enjoy perks like biannual maintenance visits, exclusive discounts, reduced service fees, priority scheduling, and more. Call Anthem at 885-268-4369 or visit Anthem's website to sign up and schedule your estimate today. Thanks for watching, and happy plumbing.